Join us on a journey into a world where organisms communicate, not with words or gestures, but through chemicals and vibrations. Welcome to the riveting realm of plant communication. This isn't a sci-fi story, but a reality of our natural world. As we delve into this topic, we unlock the enigmatic language of the green beings around us. We discover their warnings, their alliances, their intricate dance of life. Now you might be asking, how exactly do plants converse? Plants communicate in ways that might seem alien to us. They don't use words or gestures, but their language is no less intricate or captivating. For instance, when under attack, a plant releases specific chemicals into the air. These signals are picked up by neighboring plants, priming their own defenses. But that's not all. Plants also communicate underground, through their roots. This network of fungal threads, creating the wood wide web, allows plants to share nutrients, send warnings, and even sabotage unwelcome plants. And then there's sound. Recent studies suggest that plants might use sound vibrations to sense their surroundings and communicate. This intricate communication network isn't just for show, it serves vital functions for plant survival. It's a silent, unseen world of conversation happening right under our feet and above our heads. We now dive into intriguing examples of how plants communicate. Plants can literally alert each other about forthcoming dangers. When a plant faces an attack, it discharges volatile organic compounds into the air. These chemical signals are picked up by nearby plants, which then enhance their own protections, leaving a caterpillar with an unpalatable meal. But there's so much more. Plant communication isn't just about warding off threats. They also engage in a fierce competition for resources. Take the black walnut tree as an example. It releases a chemical from its roots that suppresses the growth of other plants in its vicinity. Our journey takes us deeper into the forest, where trees have a complex communication system. They are interconnected by a network of fungal threads, the wood wide web. Through this network, trees can share resources and send warning signals to each other. In the harsh environment of a desert, plants like the creosote bush use allelopathy to keep competition at bay by releasing toxins in the soil. This survival strategy works effectively in areas with scarce resources. We also find plants that interact with insects. They release specific fragrances to attract the right kind of insects for pollination. Some orchids mimic the scent of female wasps to attract males for pollination. Scientific studies have provided extensive evidence for these forms of plant communication. A study published in the journal Science showed that plants can recognize their siblings and give them preferential treatment, reducing root competition. Isn't that a fascinating display of sibling love? You're probably wondering, how have scientists gathered all this? It's not magic, it's science. The world of plant communication is grounded in hard scientific research. It all begins with signal detection. Plants have receptors that can pick up chemical signals, which could be a distress call or an alert to nearby danger. Once the signal is detected, the plant responds appropriately. This process is incredibly fast, allowing plants to react quickly to potential threats or changes in their environment. From our dinner plates to the health of our planet, plant communication matters. Imagine farmers having the ability to listen in on what crops are saying. They could respond to the needs of their plants more accurately, potentially boosting crop yields and minimizing the use of harmful pesticides. This knowledge could have profound implications for ecology and conservation too. By understanding how plants communicate, we could create more harmonious, resilient ecosystems. We could even use this knowledge to aid in the recovery of damaged habitats. In the quiet of the forest or the rustling of a field, there's a conversation happening. We've explored the captivating world of plant communication, its scientific basis, real-life examples, and implications for our world. Next time you're out in nature, ask yourself, what are the plants around you saying? And how can you contribute to conserving these silent conversationalists?